Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I shape my eyebrows with a razor blade. One of the things that cutting your eyebrows can do for you is it lifts your entire skin and your face, just making you look more fresh and more put together. So as you can see today, I'm bearing it all, no makeup, because I just want to show you how a simple eyebrow cut can lift up your entire face and just give you a glowy or bright looking skin. So before I cut my eyebrows, I like to use a small toothbrush, which just helps me to comb my eyebrows into the shape that I would like to mimic. So I would literally go in like this. I comb the front hairs upwards, and then I just push everything back into a straight line. And I like to make a tail at the end, yeah, similar to something that I would like to see on the finished product. So this helps me because then I know I have to just cut through the bottom and cut through the tail. And sometimes if you don't know where your tail is, just lift your eyebrow like this. The corner, yeah, this corner is where the tail of your eyebrow is. So as you comb upwards, then you comb the tail down. So this is literally what my razor looks like, and when I cut, I like to start with the top, and you hold your skin upwards a little bit because then that helps you get a better shape and helps you to get all the hairs, and then you just stroke. Okay, use your brush to just clean out all the hairs. Yeah, you can see I have a clean cut now, and then we're just going to go for the tail a little bit. So as you go for your tail, make sure you make it look as long as possible. Yeah, be very tender when you approach the tail, just so you don't cut all the hairs off because there's really very little hair at the end. And then I'll just go in with my brush again and just comb, and then now we're going for the bottom. So while I go into the bottom of my brow, I like to make sure that I follow the line that I made with my toothbrush. So you have to also be extra careful because this area also has a little bit more flesh than the top. Even when you stretch out with your hands, it's not very easy. So, just be gentle. As you can see, I'm not going in like, just very, very soft strokes until I go at the end. Then I like to come back just to make the arc at my eyebrow. So at the tail, I like to cut while moving towards the tail, like that. Because sometimes when you comb straight or when you try to cut straight, you end up cutting so much of the hair. So I like to just go in like that because the hair doesn't go straight. Do you see that? Okay. So I now have, so we are going to smooth out the line at the bottom, and to be able to do that, still pull your skin back a little. So as you can see, we have finished one of our eyebrows, and if you just see on one side, this is the finished side, which looks quite neat, and this is the unfinished side. So this one looks a little bit messy, and we're going to do it to also match what we have on this side. So this is what our eyebrows look like after. And after I finish going through my eyebrows with the razor blade, I like to put some Vaseline on my eyebrows just to give them, you know, a shiny look. But then also at the same time, if you have any, you know, bumps or any light cuts that you have made with the razor blade, then this is just going to be able to relieve them, and you're going to have a finished look. So this is what we look like. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this kind of content, make sure that you subscribe to the Thrifters Nest, and make sure that you comment in the comment section below and share with us your ideas, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you. Until next time, bye guys.